Last year for Christmas, I gifted my dad a creative weekend together. I live in London, he doesn't, so we don't see each other a lot. And we both like art, so I thought it would be nice to spend some creative time together. We extended the weekend into a week. We didn't really have a plan, we just went and wanted to see what we want to do. Well, the overall plan was to do screen printing, but you never know what else your brain comes up with. So we just went there and just wanted to see whatever we want to do. And beforehand we went to the art shop in Hamburg and bought some things that we might need, a lot of paper to print on, and then the week started, and that's where we are now. Very quickly I knew that I wanted to turn an older painting of mine into a screen print, and my dad thought that it would be nice to print it on a postcard, and I loved the idea, so that's what we did.
Das kannst du ohne so ein Gerät gar nicht machen.
Ne, stimmt. Muss nicht so viel gekocht werden, aber da...
Nee, aber...
Ne? Na klar.
Jetzt wird er schon was sagen müssen. Er sagte, der Lauf, aber... Hier hintereinander und so soll so rauskommen.
Wie meinst du hintereinander? Übereinander?
Übereinander.
Ja. Gebe ich die jetzt hier runter. Over 2 days we did all of it. I prepared the positives and we did the screens and the emulsion, and we prepared the frames, and then we printed it, and it was amazing. It was way better than I expected it to be. Krass. Einmal das. Guckt euch das mal an. Hier, damit ich richtig das sehe. Glaube ich einfach, weil wir das nicht direkt ausgewaschen haben, weil wir gar nicht damit gerechnet haben, dass wir es nochmal nutzen.
Ja.
Ne?
Ja.
Weil es ja eigentlich nur für mich so war.
Das hier ist ja...
Nee, theoretisch war es noch nicht viel. Sehr gut.
Okay.
Dann schauen wir mal.
Oder Pulli. Ist auch rot. Nein, die jetzt nicht.
Ach so.
Ja, obwohl der rote Druck ist ja der rote Druck. Das
Ja, da sind wir drauf. So ist das prima. Weil das Gelb einfach damit ist. Okay, cool. Also würdest du auch... And I'm beyond pleased with how everything turned out. It's a limited edition of 33 prints, which I think is a great number. And I think I'm gonna sell these on markets, and I'm probably gonna sell them online, which is very exciting as well. And for the first time I was signing my own prints, and it was a very surreal feeling, but it was great. I had a lot of fun doing it. My sister and my mum joined us for a couple of days over the weekend, and my sister also wanted to do a couple of prints, which we did, and we all definitely learned a lot from it, especially about like color combination and the printing process in general. And yeah, it was really good. After that, it was my dad and I back again, just us two, and we printed an old art piece of my dad, which is still in progress, so it's not done. We just did the first layer, and he started to do some designs on his iPad, and I think it turned out really good. Like, the first layer already looks really, really nice. It's a very strong color, which I like, and I like that it is very like a block of color, because there was a lot of space for the color to go through. We didn't have enough time to finish it, but so far I think we got to a really nice point of it. At the end, we printed a big piece of mine that came up when I was there. I just drew a sketch, and then I thought, oh, let's just turn it into a print. And then it turned into like an A3 print. The paper is not like norm paper, so I'm not exactly sure, but I think it is around A3, between A4 and A3, I guess. And it was a stretch and a challenge, because I made some mistakes on the way with the emulsion, so the frames were not, like, we had to cover up a lot, which luckily my dad helped me with. He put a lot of work into it as well.
Aber du hattest ja auch kein Gefühl dafür, wie viel man überhaupt verwendet.
Naja, ich
Ich muss es hochziehen am Ende.
Ja.
Oh, das ist geputzt, aber das sieht super aus. The end result is really good. I'm glad we put so much work into it.
Ja, gut, das lässt sich auch so ein bisschen.
Ja, das war doch gut. Jo.
Nach dem anderen machen, wenn
Ja.
nur einmal da ist.
Ja.
Geht ja nur darum, dass du so den Ablauf.
And it was definitely a big learning. At the end, I had to deal with all the mistakes I made on the way. But we did it, which was great.
Das ist schon gut.
Ja, guck mal, Papa.
Towards the end of our week, we also did some printed postcards, which were some of my artworks and also the new artwork.
Kann man dann auch nachgucken, ob bei den Ellipsen förmlich oder linienförmig oder round.
I will be able to sell these for a cheaper price than the original ones, but they are still extremely high quality. We did a lot of paper tests so that I feel really happy about the prints and the paper that we're using. And yeah, that was really, really cool to see that as well. And also, we did, as a surprise for my mum and my sister, we printed on a top and a t-shirt that they left there, and we gave it to them once we came back to Hamburg.
So, dass die Farbe da jetzt nicht. Das ist nicht.
It was such a lovely week. I think it's great because I live in London and I don't see my family a lot. It was great to just spend some one-on-one time, and the weather was extremely nice. We went to the Baltic Sea and it was really, really nice. So I had a great week. I hope you had a great week. I hope you're having a great day. I'm having a great day. London is gifting us with some really nice weather. And I'll see you next time. Bye.